AMP at present exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 basically is right now at $0.005 in a truly significant manner. AMP in a real sense faces medium-term obstruction at $0.006 in a very enormous manner. AMP records especially descending development today, which in a real sense is very critical. 21 September 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these habitually especially clarified some things, facts. What for the most part is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for AMP. Basically is AMP an excellent speculation, which explicitly is very huge. AMP support and opposition levels and so on, showing that AMP support and obstruction levels and so forth amazingly. Be that as it may, prior to jumping profound into the AMP specialized examination, explicitly let us generally discuss the ongoing economic situations in an especially significant manner. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there sort of was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1,054,588,025,469 in an unpretentious manner. The really all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $30,136,343,183, showing how yet prior to plunging profound into the AMP specialized examination, explicitly let us in every practical sense discuss the sort of current economic situations, or so they basically thought. Bitcoin shares 49.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33% in a quite enormous manner, which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,641.04 level after a decay of 1.61%. Or so they generally thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value lessening of 2.24%, coming to $1,590.35 during the past 24 hours in a for the most part significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.18 following a value change of 2.1% within a similar time span, or so they for the most part thought. XRP, the very local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere near 1.51 and presently exchanging at 51 cents in an extremely enormous manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a sort of large way. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market basically is going in a truly descending heading for kind of present moment, which fundamentally shows what generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,641.04 level after a decay of 1.61% in a very significant manner. Right now, a kind of broad really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they especially thought. AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized markers used to really recognize essentially key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, which shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value reduction of 2.24%, coming to $1,590.35 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become basically more exceptionally dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Similarly, obstruction for the most part is a level at which merchants fundamentally move genuinely dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which by and large is genuinely critical. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of AMP. AMP execution. The cost of AMP fundamentally is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the beyond 24 hours, and especially has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week, so the very complete exchanging volume truly remains at $30,136,343,183, showing how yet prior to jumping pretty profound into the AMP specialized examination, generally let us for the most part discuss the genuinely current economic situations, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC most certainly is 5,028,737.00 United States dollars. While kind of all out, market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars in a fundamentally enormous manner. So the truly complete exchanging volume generally remains at $30,136,343,183, showing how yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the AMP specialized examination, certainly let us for the most part discuss the really current economic situations, or so they especially thought. We utilize kind of relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal combination and disparity, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, straightforward moving commonly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving in every practical sense, normal EMA2 in a real sense, break down the future development of the AMP. So similarly, obstruction is a level at which dealers essentially become move truly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which for the most part is very critical. While AMP's Williams %R pointer basically is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange commonly signal basically is somewhat conceivable at this reach. So support generally is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become more dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which really is very critical. The MACD line especially is remaining underneath of the sign line after a hybrid, showing how there truly are practically 42,227,702,186 are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. AMP financial backers need to especially sit tight for any directional change over the day-to-day graph, exhibiting that AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized markers used to by and large distinguish commonly key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, which generally shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a value reduction of 2.24%, coming to $1,590.35 during the past 24 hours, which is very huge. The principal support level for AMP explicitly is at $0.005, while the kind of second one especially is at $0.004, which generally shows